Make sure to stay till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and common mistakes people make. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. If you have a Dodge Challenger, you're trying to find the fuse for the radio, stay with us. We'll explain where it's located, which fuse you need to check. Also, in addition guys, we'll explain why it's super important to test fuses. That way you don't waste money on parts and you don't waste your time as well. And we'll talk what else can cause your radio not to work. All that will be covered today. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. So, it doesn't matter which engine you have, V6, V8, it should work for both guys. Most people will assume that the fuse will be under the hood because that's the fuse box that most people know about. It's easily accessible, but it's not here, it's actually inside. And this Dodge Challenger was in a little bit of an accident, but nothing too bad. We'll be fixing it soon. Runs and drives like a champion. We drove in recently. See if your radio guys for some reason doesn't work, what fuse you need to check. You need to come to the trunk. Always turn ignition off and all that stuff when you check fuses. But if you come right here and you leave the cover, you come to the spare tire and the car battery here as well. And here you have one fuse box that you're going to open by pressing here. Okay, it will be closed like that. You press here, pull it up and come this way. Now what we need to look for guys, okay, specifically here for that that fuse guys is actually let me find something to point with quick, okay, to see if I can show you. Okay, perfect. So that fuse that we need to check now guys, it's actually on some models, okay, could be different amperage, so always make sure that your ear is like ours. But the fuse that we need to find now, it's known as fuse number 37. So we're talking about this 20 amp fuse. Starting from right to left, it will be the second fuse. If you start from left to right, after that big fuse will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Always count if you're missing 1, 2. So that's the fuse that you need to check. Super important to test them. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that the fuse is burned and you may put a bad fuse in and you still have problems. And let's say you buy a new radio, you spend time, money to fix a problem, that all we had to do, test the fuse and find out if it's good or bad. Also check out, we'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.